Let me share to you some new resources that you may use in Filmora Mobile, whether you're an existing user or just looking for a new video editing software. Open Filmora Mobile and go to Explore tab. You can see various resources here and templates that you can use either for your Reels, Shorts, and TikTok. There are beats for lifestyle short vlogs, music syncs and many more. Feel free to check them by updating or installing Filmora Mobile using Google Play Store or the App Store. Templates are easy to use and very creative. Before we try this one that I liked, there is also a new event that will run until February 28th. It's the Here in Filmora Creator Hub, you will have a chance to win some rewards if you join the 2025 Music Challenge. Read the details by installing the app using Google Play Store or App Store. Back to the video, let's try the template that I liked earlier. Make sure to fill in all the required videos or photos to change in the template. There's a problem in the text, maybe because of the font or template setup of the title clip. Fix it by just removing the text template and restoring it to default. And we're done. It's that easy. You can now export and enjoy.